Want to travel more but spend less? Then you need to avoid the most common rookie mistakes that silently eat up your travel budget. Welcome to our ultimate budget travel tips and hacks, where we're revealing the 10 biggest travel mistakes people make and how to avoid them. From booking flights wrong to paying for stuff you don't need, these tips can save you hundreds of dollars on every trip. Whether you're enjoying your golden years exploring the world, traveling for the first time, going solo, or retirement travelers looking for comfort and safety, we'll show you how to travel smarter, book cheaper, and avoid the most common traps to save big. But before we start, let's take a look at how to pack a suitcase efficiently and avoid the common packing mistakes that can ruin your trip. Apart from your clothes, your travel suitcase should have these travel essentials like adapters, a passport, a portable charger, a mini first aid kit, a neck pillow, Forex card, Visa, and even earplugs for a peaceful flight journey. And last but not least, you should always pack your clothes depending on the climate of the country you are visiting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more budget travel videos every week. So, without further ado, let's start with the number 1 mistake on our list. Booking flights too early or too late. One of the biggest rookie mistakes is not understanding the timing of flight bookings. Many travelers either rush to book flights 5 to 6 months in advance or wait until the very last moment, hoping for a last-minute deal. In reality, both can cost you more. For domestic flights, the ideal booking window is usually around 6 to 8 weeks before departure. For international travel flights, aim for 2 to 3 months in advance. Also, try to book midweek. Tuesdays and Wednesdays often have better rates. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner's price alerts to monitor fare drops and score the best deals. This is the best travel tips for beginners. Number 2. Exchanging currency at airports. Avoid exchanging money at airport counters unless it's an absolute emergency. The rates there are typically marked up with high service fees and poor exchange values. A better approach is to withdraw cash directly from a local bank ATM using your debit card, ideally one that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Banks usually offer near-market exchange rates and are far more reliable. Pro tip: notify your bank before traveling to avoid card blocks due to suspicious activity. This is one of the major airport tips and tricks. Number 3. Not collecting miles or points. Every time you fly, stay at a hotel, or use certain credit cards, you could be earning miles or points, but many travelers skip this step completely. Signing up for frequent flyer programs is free, and over time, those points can lead to free flights, upgrades, or hotel stays. Even budget airlines like AirAsia or Ryanair offer loyalty programs. Also, consider using a travel rewards credit card for bookings, which gives you added perks like insurance, cashback, and lounge access while earning points. Number 4. Not considering multi-city tickets. Don't just search for round-trip flights. Sometimes, booking a multi-city or open-jaw ticket, where you arrive in one city and depart from another, can be cheaper than a round trip and save you the hassle of returning to your starting point. For example, if you're traveling through Europe, you could fly into Rome and out of Paris, making your route more efficient. Multi-city tickets also help maximize your time and reduce internal travel costs. Number 5. Paying for breakfast you won't eat. Hotels often offer breakfast as an optional add-on, but here's the thing: it's not always worth it. Many travelers end up skipping breakfast due to early tours, long sleep-ins, or just wanting to try local cafes. Yet they still pay $10 to $20 per night for it. Instead, explore local food markets or bakeries nearby. You'll likely get tastier, more authentic food at a better price, and experience a slice of everyday local life too. Number 6. Forgetting toiletries and essentials. While many assume they can buy toiletries after arriving, it often leads to unnecessary spending. Tourist zones and airports hike up prices for basic items like sunscreen, toothpaste, or razors. Worse, local brands might not suit your needs or skin type. Always carry a small toiletry kit with essentials in travel-sized containers. Include basic meds like paracetamol or motion sickness pills. It's better than scrambling in a foreign pharmacy. It is one of the most important travel packing tips. Number 7. Relying only on taxis or ride-sharing apps. It might seem more convenient to take an Uber or taxi everywhere, but the cost adds up quickly. In most cities, public transportation is not only reliable and cheap, but also faster during peak hours. Subways, buses, and trams are also a great way to experience how locals live. Consider getting a daily or weekly transport pass. It's cheaper than single tickets and offers unlimited travel within zones. Number 8. Using only one website to book tickets. One big mistake is trusting only one platform while booking your flights or train tickets. Prices can vary dramatically between booking sites. Always compare options on at least 3 platforms like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and the airline's website. For buses or trains, sites like Rome to Rio, Omeo, or 12Go Asia are great tools. Some booking platforms also charge hidden service fees. Always double-check the total price before you pay. Number 9. Not using your local bank debit card at a bank ATM. Using currency exchange stalls in touristy areas or withdrawing cash from random ATMs often results in high fees or even scams. Instead, locate a real bank ATM, preferably during working hours, and use your local debit card, especially if your card supports international withdrawals without high foreign transaction charges. Always withdraw larger amounts to avoid repeat ATM fees and store the cash safely in a travel pouch or money belt. Number 10. Not carrying a backup payment option. Having only one debit or credit card is a disaster waiting to happen. Cards can get lost, stolen, or randomly blocked by your bank for suspicious activity. Always carry a backup debit card or some emergency cash in a separate bag or hidden pouch. If your main card stops working, you won't be stranded in a foreign country. It's a small step that could save your entire trip. So, those are the 10 rookie travel mistakes you'll want to avoid if you're serious about saving money and traveling smarter. Whether it's booking flights at the wrong time, overpaying for breakfast, or forgetting to collect those valuable miles, these small missteps can add up quickly. But with a little planning, smart decisions, and the right mindset, you can enjoy amazing adventures without stretching your wallet. So wherever you're heading next, whether it's a tropical island, a buzzing city, or a hidden gem, you'll be better prepared to travel smart, spend less, and experience more. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share your own travel mistake in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense budget travel advice. Your smarter travel journey starts now.